How to use advanced feature in LinkedIn. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in LinkedIn. So if you want to use the advanced feature in LinkedIn, you'll need to follow these steps. So basically, to use the LinkedIn's advanced feature, you could leverage the advanced search technique utilizing AI-powered tools and optimize your profile with specialized section like the featured area. You could also explore premium feature, learn from analytics and engage in a group and even to maximize your professional networking as well. And next, what you could also do is after a basic search, you could also click on refined search or all filter to narrow the result of a location, connection, companies, industries, and school premium as well. So basically, what you could do is tap on the search bar. You could go and look for try searching these training management, or you could try searching the suggested as well. That could also be able to give you an advanced feature. Similarly, you could also scroll down and look for the settings as well, or tap on the profile initials and enable some of these advanced feature in the settings section that might also be able to help. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.